Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this. You're epic, you're amazing, I love you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to show me your support. I've officially been on YouTube for 2 weeks and I've done my first photo shoot with a model in Los Angeles ever since the quarantine ended, and I wanted to share with you guys my experience of how I found the model, how we planned out the photo shoot, and how it actually turned out. First of all, my name is Masha. I have been doing photography for about 5 years now. I love working with people. I love fashion photography. I love portrait photography. I love doing editorials, and I just generally truly enjoy working with people, and this is my story. I started GLA Photography about 5 years ago, and at first it was called Girls of LA, and I had that brand for about 3 years, and then I decided as I was maturing and getting older, it's time for me to move on to greater things in life, and I decided to change the name of my photography business to GLA Photography so that it not only includes girls, but it also includes pretty much everything within the photography industry, and that's how my business bloomed. That's why it's called GLA. GLA stands for Girls of LA. Shortly, it's called GLA Photography. I primarily shoot with Nikon D3100. I have a 55 to 300 millimeter lens. I've been using it ever since I was in high school. This is what I grew up on. I love this lens. It's really good for portraits, good for zooming in, it's good for doing nature, it's good for shooting birds or squirrels outside your tree or even flowers. This lens, this is gold. This lens will save you. If you're interested in purchasing Nikon D3100 and this lens, please check out the Amazon link that's below in my description, and it will take you straight away to this lens right now. I found Alex on Facebook. There's a Facebook group called LA models and photographers and makeup artists, and it's usually where a lot of creatives come to collaborate and create beautiful art together, and she decided to make a post about how she wants to do more work and she's looking for photographers, and I decided to reach out to her. I saw her look. You can check it out right here. This is her Instagram account, and you can see based off just simply looking at her Instagram account that she knows what she's doing, and I was just down for it, and we started planning. I really wanted to do kind of a bohemian look. I live in Redondo Beach, and there's actually a field that we have full of hay, and I decided to try it out over there. I've been seeing some looks where a girl does the white dress and she sits kind of in the field, and I wanted to try it out. I wasn't sure what's gonna happen. I created a mood board on Pinterest for her to check it out. It's right here. I was kind of like envisioning more of like a flowery photo shoot. I didn't really have anything in mind, so I tried to keep my expectations low, and when I saw her for the first time, oh my god, you guys, she looked so good. Oh my god, oh my god, oh. About Alex. Alex is a model. She is a full-time student, and she's actually a student athlete as well. She loves modeling. She's discovered because of her natural gorgeous hair, and you can see by the photos that it is amazing. Obviously, she rocks her look. She understands her hair. She knows how to use it to her advantage and how to empower it. I felt proud. I was like, finally, this model, she looks good. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're gonna know what I'm talking about right after you see this photo shoot. Alex and I just met right outside of an apartment complex in Hermosa Beach, and the first thing that we did is go over to the bush with those red flowers that grow on them, and we decided to take some portraits and some style Instagram kind of photos. You can see them over here. They're gonna be like rotating one by one, And I thought from the beginning, wow, this is gonna be a great photo shoot. I was just so excited because she looked so good, and I was just so happy. I was just so happy because you don't always get a model that knows exactly what she's doing, and Alex was that. She had a great attitude right away. She looked good. She came out early and she was professional and she was ready and she had everything with her right away. So after we took pictures of the flowers, we decided to go over to the field, and we took some pictures over there. You can see them right here, and here's the video that I took so that you guys can check it out. This is behind the scenes video. This is a video. Don't be scared. Ooh, look at her. She's vibing. She's hot. Ooh. 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 From looking at this video, you can tell that this girl looks amazing. Like, she looks so good, and the photos came out epic. I can't even say anything bad about them. I'm just so excited. Her hair looked great, the dress looked great, her boots looked great, her hat looked great, and we kind of just like played around between the different looks. I wasn't going for anything specific. I was just playing around with how she was standing and how she was acting in front of me and capturing the moment as it goes. As a photographer, it's very important to be flexible with the kind of photos that you're willing to take for the model, and it's always important to guide your model. If you see your model and she's kind of just like stuck and confused, you could be like, oh, imagine you're doing a fashion photo shoot and you're the baddest bitch in the world, and see what kind of a reaction the model comes up. Or if you want to do a more gentle look, be like, oh, pretend you're in a beauty photo shoot and go like this, like this, like this, and see what kind of shots come out. And that's just my favorite way. I love working with models. They're so great. Oh, I love them. And after we left the field, we decided to go over to a cute little green park that's right in the neighborhood. That was our location number 3, and all of those locations are probably within a like 5-10 minute walk of each other. So we didn't really have to go very far, and right over there you could see that we took some beautiful portraits along the park, that we took some beautiful full body shots. And the fourth location that we decided to go to was actually a marina. I wanted to check it out, and I wanted to see if I could do any photo shoots with the boats in the background. So we decided to go over to Redondo King Harbor, and over there I tried to take some photos with the boats in the background, and I realized I couldn't do the justice that she actually deserved. The rails that guard people from not falling into the water were actually just destroying the shoot in a way, because they were just in the way. Like, there's this beautiful boat in the background, but there's this like ugly rail that is preventing like a beautiful like high-end luxury photo shoot. And finally we decided to go over to our location number 5, which was the beach and the rocks. Now you have to consider that this was all within the span of an hour and a half, and we had about like 15-20 minutes per each location. Really, the models do more looks, but we just had so much fun with the white dress that we decided to stick around and take more pictures until we got to the marina. So this is my favorite look. Number 5, at the beach by the rocks. Oh my god, she looks like high-end jewelry luxury model. I can't wait for this model to actually end up on a billboard somewhere selling either earrings or watches or anything. Oh my gosh, I'm just so proud of them. I feel like a proud parent of this photo shoot. Overall, I give this photo shoot 5 stars. This was probably one of my favorite photo shoots ever. It was energetic, it was fun, it was flowy, we were on the same page. And I think as a photographer, it's really important that you are able to go with the flow of the photo shoot. And if you are a photographer that is starting out, this is your best way to gain experience through collaboration. Now, a disclaimer, this photo shoot was not paid. I did not get paid. Alex did not get paid. This was what is called a collaboration, where two creatives in Los Angeles come together and make art. And the photos belong to her the same way they belong to me. She can use them any way she wants, but the copyrights belong to me.